The Silicon Valley, home of many high-technology companies and national engineering headquarters for Sony Broadcast Products Company.
Hello and welcome to the Sony exhibit. We at Sony Broadcast Products Company recognize that technical support is an important part of what you expect when you purchase our products. Because of this requirement, we have established a national technical support headquarters located here in San Jose, California, and regional service centers located in key cities throughout the United States. In the next few minutes, we would like to show you some of the activity and people that make up the technical support team for Sony Broadcast Products.
Hello, I'm Tom Scott, General Manager of Sony Broadcast Training and Information Services. During the next few minutes, you will have an opportunity to look within Sony Broadcast at a division charged with one of the most important customer service functions, communications. Let's begin our visit with a tour of our training facilities.
This is the Sony Broadcast Training Center in San Jose, California. Over 1,200 television technicians and engineers attend Sony Broadcast training classes here each year. A well-balanced combination of lecture sessions and hands-on lab activities is provided by qualified instructors in modern, state-of-the-art classrooms. Here, students gain the knowledge and experience that is so vital for maintenance of the increasingly sophisticated equipment used in all aspects of television production. Sony Broadcast Training currently offers maintenance and operation courses for 23 major Sony Broadcast products, both at the training facility and at on-site locations. Classes for each product line are conveniently scheduled to provide the most effective use of your time and your training budget. A simple phone call is all that is needed to reserve a seat in one of the broadcast industry's most challenging classrooms. To supplement the knowledge gained through training, our customers also depend on Sony Broadcast technical bulletins for details about enhancements, software upgrades, and other important information concerning the operation and maintenance of Sony Broadcast products. These bulletins are published by Sony Broadcast Information Services and are distributed to over 3,000 Sony customers. This department is staffed by highly skilled technical writers, graphic artists, technical translators, and photo typesetting equipment operators. Each of these bulletins is based on information received from product design engineers in Japan and engineers from the Sony Broadcast Division in the United States. Technical writers work closely with product specialists from broadcast engineering and personnel from the Parts Distribution Center to ensure the completeness and accuracy of each bulletin. Broadcast Information Services, under the guidance of Manager Al Miller, is currently expanding operations to include publication of manuals for U.S. manufactured Sony broadcast equipment and editing of manuals published by Sony of Japan. Technical bulletins and the classes offered by our training department are just part of the technical support provided by Sony Broadcast. The Silicon Valley, home of many high-technology companies and national engineering headquarters for Sony Broadcast Products Company.
Hello and welcome to the Sony exhibit. We at Sony Broadcast Products Company recognize that technical support is an important part of what you expect when you purchase our products. Because of this requirement, we have established a national technical support headquarters located here in San Jose, California, and regional service centers located in key cities throughout the United States. In the next few minutes, we would like to show you some of the activity and people that make up the technical support team for Sony Broadcast Products.
Part of the Sony Broadcast team is located at our 65,000 square feet National Engineering Headquarters in San Jose, California. Within this group are the product specialist engineers who provide technical liaison between the design engineering group in Japan and the service engineers in the field. Our engineering staff in San Jose also develops special products for the U.S. market. These special products, such as special switcher interfaces for the BVE 5000, timecode kits for BVU 800 series VTRs, and test fixtures for Betacam, enhance the usability of Sony broadcast products. Additionally, this group provides assistance to customers for their own special applications.
Broadcast engineering also includes other important customer support groups. The test engineering group is involved in the testing and acceptance of new equipment. All VTRs and cameras are inspected and performance verified prior to shipment. Specially configured VTRs are tested as a complete system. Cameras are tested and performance verified with the customer selected lens whenever possible. In another area of the San Jose facility is a group that is responsible for equipment renewal. This group completely checks the equipment and, when required, repairs are made to a unit to bring the product up to specifications. Prompt local service is also a high priority with the Sony Broadcast Technical Support Team. For this reason, we have established 5 service centers located in key cities throughout the United States. These service centers are staffed with field engineers who are knowledgeable in the operation and maintenance of Sony broadcast equipment. If you need technical assistance, we are as close as your telephone. Our highly trained staff is always available to answer your questions. Equipment may be repaired at the service center, or a service engineer can be dispatched directly to your location to assist you. 24-hour technical assistance is also available through our emergency number at the San Jose headquarters. Your call will be recorded, and a service engineer will be notified to call you back within minutes. The Sony Broadcast Technical Support Team, providing you with 24-hour coast-to-coast support for your Sony broadcast product. The Silicon Valley, home of many high-technology companies and national engineering headquarters for Sony Broadcast Products Company.
Hello, and welcome to the Sony exhibit. We at Sony Broadcast Products Company recognize that technical support is an important part of what you expect when you purchase our products. Because of this requirement, we have established a national technical support headquarters located here in San Jose, California, and regional service centers located in key cities throughout the United States. In the next few minutes, we would like to show you some of the activity and people that make up the technical support team for Sony Broadcast Products.
Hello, I'm Ron Ross, manager of Sony Broadcast National Parts Center. Welcome to the Sony exhibit. To most of you, this is what we look like. To find out what we're really like, spend a few minutes with us. Find out why we have earned the reputation of being the best customer support service in the broadcast industry.
All phone calls to the Sony Parts Center are routed here to the order processing area. The Parts Center staff is on duty from 7 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Our 10-hour day allows complete coverage of all time zones in the continental U.S. Toll-free phone lines are provided to ensure that your orders are processed quickly and accurately. After an order is placed, it is entered into the computer. Before the order is processed to the warehouse, all part numbers and other important information are thoroughly checked. Our warehouse is stocked with all of the parts needed for maintenance of Sony broadcast equipment. Available parts include individual components, complete circuit boards, mechanical assemblies, and tools. Also carried in stock are batteries, cables, and spare kits. Because of our understanding of Sony broadcast customer requirements, An emergency parts support service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In addition, overnight delivery is available if you call us before 3:30 p.m. Pacific Time. So, as you can see, there is a lot more behind that telephone than just a friendly and helpful voice. Also located at the San Jose facility is the National Distribution Center for Sony broadcast products. All Sony broadcast equipment received from Japan for distribution in the U.S. is tested, warehoused, and shipped from this center. After an order is received, it is processed and shipped by the method most convenient for the customer. This busy facility, like all at Sony Broadcast Products, is dedicated to providing the best possible service for our most valuable asset, you, the customer.